the court makes the following order. 1. The application is dismissed. 2. The applicant is ordered to pay costs.
Siphaywe nendleko zaso zekhotho isiwawu sehlangano entsha yepolitiki Labour Party somlayo siqabo okhandela isikhathi samakhetho ngaphambi kwamakhetho wangomrhayili.
Bahlala babodwa la ngendlini bakuvela amavaterikani abakhona ukuhamba bagijima bokugijimisa amavaterikani ngesibanga sokuthi abakhona ukuhamba ababoni.
Izakhamuzi zerithabise ngeBrongoro eSolo zilila ngamanzi zithi ziza kuthabalala emaofisini kamasipalata abe abuya amanzi ngendlini akuhlaleki.
Chiefs and Pirates, they started long before Sundowns. Sundowns just came now. And then it's because of the money they have, that's the reason why they are winning.
Ziyahlangana ingwenya zeSoweto kusasa emdlalweni weSoweto Derby. Sizukulwana sikaMusi kaMhlanga Nzunza noManala nakumthamo wendaba zesiNdebele namhlanje kwa SABC akwande Sitshaba sekosi. Ikhotho ephakemeko yeGauteng ePitori sirahe nendleko saso isiwawu sehlangano leLabour Party efake umlayo siqabo okhandela isikhathi samakhetho ngaphambi kwamakhetho. Ihlangano le isekomishini ezijamele kwezamakhetho ye-IEC ekhotho ngelanga lokugcina lokufaka imbawo zokungenela ikhetho. Ihlangano le inganga ngelithi bekufanele ifake umlayo siqabo lo bona ikhetho elizako lizokuba ngelizijameleko.
Isibosa ngemva kwesikhathi sehlangoneja iLabour Party esiqothele ukungezelela isikhathi sokuhlangabezana nalokho ekubize ngembandela yokungenela ikhetho likawokewoke lango-2024 akhange sikhambe ngendlela ebilindele ngaso njengombana ikhotho iphaye isibawo esirhabile kuyisi nendleko.
Court the following order. 1. The application is dismissed. 2. The applicant is ordered to pay costs.
Ihlangano li iya ekhotho ephakemeko kunokuya ekhotho ezekhetho ngendaba eqhakathekileko ekambisweni yekhetho yelizwili ngokunganga ngelithi ikhotho ezekhetho ayikazijameli. Ihlangano li inganga ngelithi indaba li ayisiphakathi nekhotho ezekhetho kwaphela njengombana kunganasahlulelo sepikiswano esiveza ukuthathwa kwesiqondo yikhotho li.
An original administrative decision to establish a timetable was made in February, but that's something completely different to adjudicating a dispute.
Kodwa iIEC iveza ukuthi isikhathi sekhetho savezwe ngenyanga kaMhlolanja kanti iLabour Party beyinelungelo lokuya ekhotho yezekhetho khonokho kodwana akhange enze njalo.
But what did the Labour Party do? It did absolutely nothing. Nothing. It didn't write to the Commission. It didn't lodge a dispute with the Commission. It didn't ask the Commission what it had done with the letter supposedly sent by other parties. It did nothing until Wednesday when it launched this application.
Amakhetho nomnyaka azokubanjwa nge-29 kumrhayili naphezu kokuthi iLabour Party izihlolisile njengehlangano akukhanyi bona ihlangano le izokufinyelela imbandela yokungenela ikhetho.
Abomma bazokuragela phambili babe banengi abajamela iANC ngeva kwamakhetho wenarha newemfunda ayobanjwa ngomhla ka-29 ngomrhayili. ANC ifungile bona izoqinisekisa ukuthi ifaka ihelo labo ngikhethani babo ekomishini ezijamele kwezekhetho ndaba manje. Umkhulumeli we-ANC uMahlengu Bhengu Mutsiri uthi unobhalazombele we-ANC ufikile embalula uzokuthumela ihelo labo ngikhethani ngehlelo le-online khona ndaba manje.
Nangaphandle kokuthi ikomiti ekhethekileko ye-ANC NEC ikhethe ukuthi iyokujanyelwa ngubani esibethamthethweni selizwe nesemfunda ngemva kwamakhetho wangomrhayili, i-ANC khona ifaka ihelo layo labo ngikhethani namhlanje. Nakakhuluma nembiki indaba namhlanje umkhulumeli wehlangano le uMahlengu Bhengu Mutsiri uthe batsho ihlelo lokukhetha belivulekile begodu lingathathi ihlangothi. Umutsiri uthi batsho ihlangano le ithatha amagadango aqinileko ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ilandela indlela yokuvuselela begodu watsho nokuthi ukukhonjwa ngomuntu okuthiwa umuntu wonile akutsho ukuthi imbala unomlandu.
Whatever allegation that is made against you always have got to be tested and the rule of law needs to apply.
Uveze nokuthi ihlangano le izimisele ngokuqinisekisa ukuthi wonke umuntu oyoyijamela i-ANC ngomsulwa begodu nehlelo lokuhlolwa kwamalunga selelikhombe amalunga amane asengikhundleni eziphezulu wehlangano le.
Those that have been flagged by virtue of having been fingered in the State Capture Commission report and then subjected to the internal process of the ANC, going through that process up until a stage where there was an agreement that they are not eligible to stand as public representatives.
I-ANC izikhakhazisa ngokuthi ijamelekile emikhakheni yonke.
The representation of women, youth living with disabilities, members of the LGBTQIA+ community, individuals, these have been paramount in the process of candidate selection.
Ngomvulo ikomiti ye-ANC ejejeza amakhetho iyokhupha ihelo labonkhethane emphakathini.
Umholi we-IFP uvele Nkosini Hlabisa uthembise ukwethula umlayezo wethemba namachuguluko emhlolweni wenthembiso zamakhetho zehlangano le ngempela veke bekhuluma namakhulukhulu abalandeli behlangano le eralini ebeyikwamakhutha eSewula Yethewu.
Ike kodwa siyoma ndawonye emabhida bese siphuma sesinqumile ukuthi ngomhla ka-29 sonke siyothi zaka eduze nendlovu ngenhloso yokukhulula izwe lethu nokukhulula isifundazwe sethu ngethemba lokuthi okuzolandela emveni kwalokho ukukhulula umasipala wethu itheku elingcolile elinukayo elizinda sokugebengu elizinda sama-drugs eliyihlazo ngisho nasemehlweni omhlaba. Ingangani lempi bocomrade thina sindawonye singalwa siyinqobe.
Ihlangano yepolitiki yasungulwa eminyakeni eli-17 edlulileko i-Al-Jamaa ithi izokusekela uhulumende ubumbano nangenzeka kungabi nehlangano ethumba ngobuningi. Ihlangano le inesihlalo eParlamente kanti sekunamawadi ewathumbileko iTjingalanga Kapa neGauteng ekhethweni labo masipalata. Sisaraga nendaba kusathulile kwanje eBrongoro ngemva kwamalanga wokuchagala komphakathi uchagalela amanzi nanangjalo abantu abadala khulukhulu abomma beRethabiseng bebasolo balala ngaphandle kwama-ofisi kamasipalata bafuna kulungiswa indaba yokuhlogeka kwamanzi.
Ubuthakathaka akaboni emehlweni unjalo nje akakhona ukuzihlogomela. Ubujamo bukagogo lo bungezelelwe emthlago wamanzi. Isilukazi seminyaka ema-94 ubudalesi sihlala nezibulo laso nalo elingaboni kuhle. Ipompi yekhaya apha yomile begodu nephunga elivela ngendlwaneni esebenza ngamanzi engendlini bufakazi bokuthi awekho amanzi la.
Bahlala babodwa la ngendlini makuvela ama-waterkan abakhona ukuhamba bagijima bogijimisa ama-waterkan ngesibanga sokuthi abakhona ukuhamba ababoni. Yiyo into esibhekene nayo. Inkinga le kule sibhekena indaba yamanzi kungcono makaphuma epompini lo mama uyakhona uphumbutha azafika epompini akhona ukukhelela amanzi agcwalise.
Abanye bathathe inlilo zabo bayozikhupha ngomchakalo begodu besolo balala ngaphandle kwama-ofisi kamasipalata ukusukela ekuphumeni kwevekele. Abafundi nabo besolo babhalelwa kuye ngikolweni. Nanyana kunentanki eziletha amanzi nje izakhamuzi zisola ukuthi intankezi sele zisetshenziselwa ukwenza ibhizinisi.
Bokususpektwa ngazuthi kukhona abanye abanokudlala nangevalve so la kuvulelwa khona abantu baseRethabiseng. So kuba yileyo i-challenge ukuthi then kudlala ngevalve kuze kwenzakalini. So bese umphakathi ususpect ukuthi kungenzeka uthola ukuthi kukhona abanye ababenefitayo makudlala ngevalve ukuze kuzoqhubeka lo msebenzi mhlambe wamanzi ongeniswa ngama-truck.
Umasipalata weTshwane uthi usebenza ubusuku nemini ukulungisa umraro lo.
This point in time is that pump A1 currently is out for a maintenance and refurbishment, and then it's going to come back on Tuesday. Basically Wednesday, we have then a team of guys who will be able to install the second pump, which will be able to provide amanzi, especially to the highline areas of Sinkangala, as Tobeni and Dark City. We appeal again, residents, please understand, the main a plant in Province Spray takes about 5 pumps. So currently we've got 2, and there's 3 that we have already ready to purchase and be able to refurbish. And we also have other 3 that we want to put as a spare, so we can be able to flow amanzi through to Abantu, even to the highline areas of the province.
Nanyana imphathimandla azithembisa amanzi ngeveke ezako, kodwa izakhamuzi ezichakalako ukukhulukhula abomma bathi baza kusolo babethe isithabalala ema-ofisini kamasipalata ubusuku nemini ukufikela la amanzi abuyiselwa khona endlini zabo.
Nasibuya entolo.
We know him as a footballer. We know the 8 teams he played in, the 9th team being the SABC. But the heart of Siphiwe Mkhonza was a heart of appreciation.
Baphume ngobunengi bayokhumbula uSiphiwe Mkhonza bekabuya azwe ngelika Dr Mnandi emkhakheni wezebhola. Asirage nazindaba zisekhona. Ukuzwisisa ukusebenza komkhakha wamateksi beqhakatheke khulu ekusebenzisane phakathi kweGautrain Management Agency neAlexandra Taxi Solutions. Kusho umphakathi weGautrain Management Agency nabe kahlathulula ichebiswano leminyaka eli-12 nehlangano yamateksi njengesibonelo esihle sokusebenzisana kwehlelo lenthuthi.
Igadangweli liqeda umbono wakade uthi amateksi akakathembeki begoda akakaphephi. Kodwa akusekho konke lokho. eGautrain isitimela esigijima amakhilomitha ama-80 sihlanganisa iPitori, eCampton Park kunye nedoyilo lemphaphamtshini iOR Tambo International Airport. Ihlelo likubinge ngalokusiza abakhweli beGautrain bona babe nenithuthi ukusuka estation sesitimela ukuya emakhaya.
It's very convenient price-wise as well, because in this economy saving.
Ukusebenzisana namateksi kuthome ngo-2011 kanti kusaragela phambili. I-Alexandra Taxi Solution iveze ubuhle bekusebenzisana neGautrain Management Agency.
Siyazi ukuthi abantu they are looking for employment. I-employment sesiyenzile saqhasha abantu abaningi kakhulu. Lokho ukuthi imindeni yabo iyabenefita.
eGautrain ithi ihlelweli esele lineminyaka ephezulu kweli-10 litshengisa bona ukusebenza ngokuhlanganyela kwenithuthi kungabhadelwa ngemali ephathekako kuyenzeka. Uthi bafunde nangokusebenza ngomkhakha wamateksi ukuqinisekisa ukusebenzisana kuhle.
A lot of people talk about the emancipation and the transformation of the taxi industry, but nobody has actually put it down on the ground and made sure that we can actually achieve that. And what we are beginning to see here, it's exactly that.
Njenganje kuhlelwe bona inthuthi ezisebenza eHatfield, eCenturion kunye neMarlborough zithoma ukusebenza endaweni eziseMidrand neRosebank.
Ibhlorho elingakapheli Sand River Bridge project elibiza ingidigidi zamaranda leNelson Mandela Drive ePolokwana likhambisa abashayeli kabuhlungu. Pheze sekiminyaka emine solo kujanyiswe ukulungiswa kwebhlorho elibiza i-55 million yamaranda. Lokhu ke kubanga isiminyaminya kanti imphathi mandla zisola ungaboni ngelihlo linye phakathi kwekhampani eyakhako nabosonjiniyere.
Ibhlorho elibiza ingidigidi zamarandeli solo laliswako alikapheli. Abachayeli balila ngesiminyaminya khulukhulu ngemva kwamadina. Indlela le ihlanganisa iPolokwane nesishego kanti abachayeli sele bakholekile kwanje ngobujamo abachayela ngaphasi kwabo.
Ke mona re frustrate mana re khona ubereka ene le gona we bontsha botse rona di tendera di fiwa batho ba go qualify.
Abachayeli bamateksi bathi umasipalata akagaba lungisa indaba lemi.
Ere amagampe because kuduka foro kana kwa speed le manthapama a re khone go tsamaya botse and then re chabela ka matlala route le yona itletse.
Kanti imphathi mandla zika masipalata sithembisa ukuthi zizoqatshwa contract omutsha.
Project le iemile bakeng le ka lebaka la dikgohlano magareng ga rakontraka le consultant jalo ka gore ba palla ke go shugana le mathata a bona. Masipala o go budišiša go napa o fedisa yona kontraka ye ya bona gomme se ile gore sa diragane bjale ke gore pego ya go fediša kontraka yeo e šetše e rometšwe ko go kantoro ya molaodi wa masipala
kanti njengobani ibhulorho lingakapheli nje abatshayeli bazokuraga nokutshayela kabuhlungu lapha.
Abangani, umndeni nabalandeli bebholo bahlonipha umcozululi wezemidlalo we-SABC Sport obebuye abe ngukapteni we-Kaizer Chiefs uSiphiwe Mkhonza. Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo ibanjelwe emzimkhulu we-SABC eOakland Park eJohannesburg. uMkhonza obekazi wakhulu ngelika Dr Mnandi ngekhono lakhe elinembako ecozululeni ibholo ubhubhe ngelesibili aneminyaka eyi-45 ngemva kokugula isikhathi eside.
Mkhonza wathoma ibizo lakhe ebholweni esezingeni eliphezulu ngo-1999. Udlalela ingcheme ezihlukahlukeneko begodwa udlala imidlalo engaphezulu kwama-200 naseliyoke. Udlalela ingcheme ezibunane ku-PSL kubalwa kizo neBloemfontein Celtic, Kaizer Chiefs neSuperSport United. Ke wadlala imidlalo elikhomba nesichemeni selizwe. Uyise kaMkhonza uJoseph khaba mbandulu webanyana wayidosa phambili nayiza kuvela kokuthoba emidlalweni yama-Olympic eLondon ngo-2012.
And let us say thank you very much for your contribution, Siphiwe Mkhonza, to his family, to his children, to his wives, to his father, and all of you.
Mkhonza wathoma ukuba mcozululi webholo kwa-SABC ngo-2013 kanti uthoma ukungasabonakala emoyeni enyangeni ezimbalwa ezidlulileko nabekalwisana nokugula okumthethe kokhu. Umngani nomlingani wakhe walokhu uThomas Mlambo bekabhalelwa kubamba inyembezi nakahlathulula indlela uMkhonza abeka ngayo.
Dr Mnandi is someone that this country loved so much. And I'm really hurt that I've lost him. Really, really hurt. It's was the beginning of my journey here, the beginning of his journey here.
Hlangana nezinye intatanyiso ezikhambela ikonzo yesikhumbuzo le nguNonakulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lisufi kanti abalingani bakhe baphambili ebholweni ulakhe leGhwathi uEdward Majens Motale noDr Khumalo bebahlangana nezinye inkhulumi. uMkhonza uyokuphekelelwa kuboyise emkhulu ngoSondo. Ikonzo yomngcwabo yokuthoma ngesimbi yethobe eholweni yakwaThema hlanu kweSpring sekuruleni.
Ngezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Ngezemidlalo abalandeli bebholo bathi iSoweto Derby isazokuba yintandokazi neminyakeni ezako naphezulu kokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns sekungiyo ibusa ibholo lapha ekhethu. iSundowns iqothele ibhigiri yeligi kwehlandla lekhomba ngokulandelana kodwana naziza ibalandelini inqhama zeSoweto ezimbili zisesenabalandeli abanengi. Orlando Pirates esebujameni besihlanu eligini ebambana neKaizer Chiefs esebujameni besithandathu eligini eDStv Premiership kusasa ngemva kwamadina eFNB Stadium.
Abalandeli bebhola ekhethu apha bayavuma bona iMamelodi Sundowns iyabusa ebholweni eragwako. Bafana ba-style basesiqongolweni eligini eDStv Premiership ngamaphuzu ali-11 kanti basasalole imidlalo emibili abangakayidlali. Amasandawana abetha amagondelo amaningi kwangena amancane ngakibo eligini isizini le. Yinye into engenziwa yiPirates neChiefs isizini le ekuqeda ebujameni besibili. Nanyana zibhalelwe eligini ingqemezi kodwa kunalanga lana zibambana khona itatawu lingabi nabantu.
Pirates has been dominant in the derby, we understand. And also people, they are focused on the Chiefs and Pirates because they are the big giants in South Africa.
Chiefs and Pirates are the big teams in South Africa. That's the team that we grew up knowing. So we always I'm Pirates personally.
Because they are still the biggest teams in South Africa. So they attract lots of fans. So it is important for these two teams, you know.
Umdlalo lo ngomkhulu nokhetekileko nebadlalini. iSoweto Derby idosa phambili ehelweni lamaDerby ali-10 ephasini zombelele. Phambilini iDerby le biba mnandi kukhulu kudlala ibholo ezinga eliphezulu nokusabana bezingasabani bekungena amagondelo ngapha nangapha.
This game is very special for each and everyone whoever plays for the big team, for Pirates, for Chiefs, whoever is in the field, whoever is on the bench. it's a big privilege for anyone because he's blessed.
Isiqhema esizokuthumba siyokukhuphukela ebujameni besibili. iPirates izofuna ukuthumba umdlalo wakusasa ngombana emidlalweni wokugcina weDerby yathumba.
The aim is to win a game. I don't think we're settling for a draw or whatever. I think we're coming into this game to win. Due to our result yesterday, I think we just have to prove ourselves.
Umdlalo uthoma ngo-3 kanti ukhatshwa bunqopha ku-SABC 1.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuza ukuthi Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs zingalungisa kuphi ukuthi zibambe izinga lokudlala le-Sundowns. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela Mbokele.
Ngikhamba nebhakaniya la nalo ngiyalitshela ukuthi no man iChiefs iyahluza njenganje so fanele bayilemuke khulu.
Hayi thina singamabhakabhaka silungise lutho sesi ready for Kaizer Chiefs. Siyishaya 1-0 siyishaya 1-0 up the backs.
Icacela kuba lonto kuba iKaizer Chiefs iyawina kulo mdlalo ngo-2-1 kanjani.
Orlando Pirates izophumelela lona umdlalo njengoko benzile kunyawo lokuqala.
Bona bayodlala idraw akhonakala ukuthi bayigijimise iSundowns ngokudlala ama-draw because abadlali kuhle bonke vele.
Ama-player wasayimisela njengalawo ama-player wakuqala. So kose bawamotivate ukuthi ayimisele ama-player Chiefs ne-Pirates ukuze kuzoba ne-competition.
Idabe enkulukazi le-Afrika yonke so kusasa impela zoba double kumthanga impela iKaizer Chiefs izoshaya iPirates ngo-2-0.
Umbono ngeyombukele SABC azokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ngaphambi kokuthi sikhambe asizobona abazume njani namhlanje. Zihlahla khamba njani ngapho.
Siyathokoza namhlalukwana silotshisa umbukeli indaba esizibhetheko namhlanje ngilezi ezithi ihlangano ye-ACDP enenhlalo ezine lapha eParliament kusasa kulindeleke ukuthi ihlome ihelo layo lenithembiso zekhetho. Ngale kwalokho nehlangano ye-IFP pelavekele kulindeleke ukuthi yenze njalo. Ngale kwalokho umphathi kamasipala walapha eMsunduzi esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal uthi uhlalele evalweni usabela impilo yakhe. Kunezwango batsho la yokuthi ngemva kwamakhetho ungqongqotshe wamabhizinisi wombuso uPravin Gordhan uzokuthatha umhlala phasi. Sizokhe ke sitsheje umsebenzi wakhe emnyangweni lo ngokunjalo nepolitikini. Yizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje la ehlelweni zibuya nabaZulu.
Sithokoze zihlahla ubujamo bezulu buyalandela. Musa wenkosi usanele sonke.